Assalamu alaikum everybody, this is my 42nd algorithm video. In this task we are given a queue numbers list. The numbers in the list represent people who are standing at particular positions. We need to remove those people who are at odd positions, and we would continue with the iterations until unless the length of queue numbers remains 1, meaning we would have only one person remaining and that person should be at even position. So let me explain. We have this list 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So we would remove 1 3 5 and 7. So in the next iteration 2 is at one position, so we would move 2, because since it is at odd position we would move 6, and then we would have remaining 4 and 8. Now 4 is at one position and 8 is at second position, so we would remove 4 and the answer would be 8. Okay, so now that I've explained to you how the pseudocode would work, let's continue to make this algorithm. While length of queue numbers is not equal to 1, I make a count variable is equal to length of queue numbers plus 1. I make a for loop for I in range length of queue numbers minus 1 minus 1 minus 1. Then I decrease count variable by 1. If count is odd, then I remove that particular number from the queue numbers list. When the while loop is completed, I print queue number list. Oh sorry. So we have correctly printed the answer, which is 8. Now if I change the number to change the list to 1 2 3 4 5, so our answer would be 4. Okay, that is all from my side. I hope you liked my video. Please share, like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.